Hey guys, and today I'm going to be unboxing this thing. So first thing I'm going to be unboxing more of my Christmas presents. LOL. So this thing. Okay, let me open this thing first. Let's open that quick. Let me check. Wow, it's very good. Yay, new clothes! Yay, I got new clothes! Yippee! Okay, so that's the first one. The second one, oh, I wonder what this is. Yeah, I think I know it already. It's a model plane! Let's party! I got a new model plane. Get out! No. Okay. Get out! Go out and then don't cover. And don't go in. You go out, okay? Come on. Yay! Okay, we'll tell them. Can you guess the airline before I take it out, viewers? 3, 2, 1. UPS. It's UPS. Yeah, I got UPS. UPS. I love UPS. I don't want it on my Christmas. Oh no. Oh my god, UPS. I love this. Thanks. I totally forgot that there was a stand. Oh my god. And of course, what? I have to always open the stand too. It's not like open, I'll clean up. Don't care about the stand. It's not like that. I like to display it too. Okay, and guys, we have UPS. UPS, welcome to the collection. UPS, welcome to the collection. UPS, get out.
Ready? Open.
Nice. UPS right here.
What is that?
UPS.
Wow, UPS.
Wow, so many airplanes already.
So guys, here's how many airplanes I have now in Philippines. Move this down. So far I have this Ryanair Boeing 737 papercraft, and Japan Airlines Boeing 777, Saudi Arabian Boeing 747, Saudi Arabian Boeing. Wait, where am I? Saudi Arabian 747, and this is a Lufthansa A380, Delta 747, Philippine Airlines 777, United Airlines Boeing 747, Thai Airways A380, get out, Egypt Airways Boeing 777, Cathay Pacific, and UPS. And that's it for this video. Now, bye.